Today we're going to make a stuffed apple bake. Super easy and super delicious. Very, very simple. Okay, so as always, the first thing we're going to do is wash our hands. As ever, put on an apron and get cooking. Like I said, this is a super easy recipe. It's something that you can do, just pop into the oven. You need to preset your oven at about 200, gas mark 6 before you start. If you do have an apple corer, I don't believe in many gadgets, but this is a great gadget, it really is. And literally, all you do is you place the corer and you just literally turn the corer as you go, right the way through the bottom. And this one's really good because it knocks out the core. I'm going to use an apple and I'm going to use a pear, just because I think it's rather fun to do a bit of both. Literally put those, oh, they're not going to both fit in the container. Put it in a container. What I've got here is some currants, which I've soaked. I'm going to put those currants literally in the hole of the apple and put that in there as well. I'm going to use some lovely cinnamon. Can't have too much cinnamon, and literally pour it down where you've cored the apple. Pour that in as well. Put in a little bit more of the chopped apricots. Press it all down in there like that. And then either some runny honey or some golden syrup. This is an eating apple, so literally just pour a little bit. You don't want too much honey because otherwise it's going to be over sweet. And then perhaps a little bit more cinnamon on the top there. And then you pop that onto your baking tray and into the oven. And that should cook in about 20-25 minutes. You'll know if it's cooked because when you take your knife and you put it through the apple, it comes out nice and clean and there's not resistance. You don't want to overcook it. If you overcook it, the apple will actually, well, it will almost collapse into a sort of, well, more of a puree. Anyway, into the oven, and there you have it. You have a beautiful bake, which you can serve with ice cream, custard, or just as it is. Enjoy.